This is a very stupid video. I feel bad for even having to make it. There are these little side reflectors that you can get in all sorts of cool colors, like green, because I thought it would be cool to have a reflector that was green, and it doesn't even freaking reflect that well, but whatever. I got a green bike. I thought it'd be sweet to put a green one on it instead of amber like normal, but they're supposed to go on right there. You could tell this bike was fucking old, and it was there the whole time, and that's the original color of the paint, and it's not. Okay, but you buy it online, right? And I think I waited for it. I'm gonna tell this guy to shut up. I waited for it to come from Thailand or something like that, and it actually says Stanley RR30Y made in Japan. It says R-70. This is the original one that I got from my 1970. I think it's a 70 or a 71. Stanley RR30 SAE B67 made in Japan. This is the original. That's what should be going on there. This is their aftermarket. I'm cool with the rubber, but this is a 6mm 1.0 pitch, and the original one, which is the fucking hole inside of the triple tree a headlight bracket, they're both the same. This is a 350, that's a 450. Has a 5mm 0.8mm pitch bolt in it. You cannot get the goddamn thing into there. I was worried that I was going to strip my one thread that I have in my triple tree clamp headlight bracket. So I got down and dirty with it, and pull the rubber off, and I had to, this thing is a piece of plastic inside of here that, this is like silver painted, it's not even chrome, this is aluminum. It's garbage, and I paid $20 fucking for it, but that was shipping included, so I'm like, whatever. I'm not really that pissed about it. I'm just pissed that it doesn't fucking fit. And so there is a bolt in here that is circular. I've got like a bag right here with it. That's the bolt that I tested to make sure it worked. That's what I pulled out. It's just got a round head on it, and that's what's in there. I took a little deep well socket and bam. Fuck that shit. And I even put anti-seize lubricant on it too. I'm pissed. I wasted my shit. Now, I found this other random screw that I just happen to have. Kind of holds it in there. The other one I had was a little better. I think I'm just going to find a washer. Maybe I got a washer that'll work. Doop. Yeah, that should work. It'll probably still fit in there. I'll find out if it doesn't. So, because I never want these things to be permanent, so I have the option of taking it off like 10 or 15 years from now. I will anti-seize it. Joop. Doop. Now, you won't be able to take it off unless you take off the lens, which is cool with me. Screwdriver. Oh man, this thing is jacked up into the corner. Of course. Okay. This is genius. Genius. I don't know if I can do this. I gotta do this. know what you're thinking. He didn't put the rubber on. I realize. I just wanted to get it started. So, grab your lens. Just face in some sort of direction, and oh, the washer was too big. Okay. Well, anyway, I can take it back off. I can take it back off and figure it out, or I can try to find the other same screw that I had there. The other one was a screw that was shaped like that. It was different. It was a flanged one, so it had a little more grip to it. But anyway, if you buy the cheap reflectors for your thing, you might as well. I think they wanted like $35 or $25 might have been the cheapest. But I was like, no, I can get really cool green ones. So, you know, it's one of those things where like, I know better. It's pretty cool, you know, green, whatever. I can always make something work. Don't be afraid to pull it apart and break it. See you next time.